Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Project C1. Today we're in the C1 and it's only as I've been driving it recently as a daily driver because the Volvo's been a little bit sick, is that I've realised that the passenger side wing mirror is a bit knackered. It's there, it reflects, it's all good, but it's kind of looking into space and it won't adjust. So I spent 18.5 of your finest English pounds on a replacement. Now this one came from Energised Customs. Can't recommend these guys enough. £18.50. I think it was about £18.53 actually, but whatever, I'll leave a link down below. And it's brand new. It's got the plastic cap is in primer, ready for painting. I am going to be reusing the red one, but more on that later. It's got glass with it and everything. I expected to have to transplant the glass over, and it's, like I said, it's brand new for £18.50. I bought it on New Year's Eve and it arrived on the 2nd of January, 2 days, and that includes a bank holiday. Way impressed with the postage on that one. But yeah, let's get it changed. Right, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is to remove this. This little panel here gives us access to the 10mm bolts underneath. I was wrong there, it's actually 2 screws. So what we're going to use, finest Teng screwdriver. If anyone from Teng is watching, please sponsor me, I like Teng. And then we're going to undo these screws. Once we've undone these screws, this will pop up, this will pop up, there's one about here as well, and it literally just is a case of lift and pull. Right, now that's off, I'll take you in closer. There is a 10mm nut in there, there is a 10mm nut in there, and there's one just down there. That one's going to be the one I'm not looking forward to. I don't want that to drop down in the door skin, so let's be careful with that, shall we? Okay, so all that's being held on by now is this little rubber grommet here, and as you can see, the only way that's adjusting is by me moving the whole mirror. So yeah, let's pull that out on the other side and we'll fit the new one. So as you can see, it was just being held on by that little rubber grommet there. I'm going to remove this cap and I'm going to put that on the new one. There are plans in place for this to be black with the roof, but that's coming in a different time. So let's get that cap off, put it on the new one, and then we'll install the new mirror. Okay, so in order to remove the new cap, we need a trim removal tool, and it's just clipped on like a lot of other things. I've had a bit of a thought, can use the new one as a template. This is the one that I was telling you about that's in primer, came with the mirror. There's all the clips in that sort of fashion. So I'm just going to go around with the tool on the old one and pop off the clips where I see them. There you go, wasn't too hard. So that's off. We're going to give that a clean. We're going to put that on the new one. And yeah, let's have a quick look at the damage on the old one. So if we have a quick look, we can see all the cables are in, but that one seems particularly slack. So I'm thinking it might be the connector end at this end. I think they might have come out up here, because these seem okay. They seem okay all the way in there, but I think it's when you get to this end that's where the problem is. So not to worry. I think I might just strip this apart anyway, just to see, just to play with off camera. But let's get the new one installed. So here's the new one. Like I said, it's absolutely identical and the cables move, so that's cool. Let's pop this old cover back on. Like I said, there are plans for this to go gloss black along with the whole black and red theme going on. We use this one at the top just to clip it into there, and the rest should, fingers crossed, follow. It's a bit fiddly, mind, but you know. There we go, sorted. That is one new, with an old cap, wing mirror. So let's get that fitted. So, a couple of quick things. First of all, the new one has got this little gasket on the back. Make sure those holes are lined up so that the screws can go straight in. And also, just thinking about it, you could, if you were so inclined, run a bead of sealant, like a silicone or something around there, just to reduce wind noise and the potential for any leaks. Under normal circumstances I would do that, but I'm not going to this time because it's just a temporary car for me. So what with installation being the reverse of removal, I've just put these nuts in so that they're started, and I'm just going to get the old ratchet out and finish them up. So as you can see, all the nuts are in where they should be. It's holding the wing mirror on nicely, and they're nicely snugged up. Don't snug them too tight, because it is just plastic that you're screwing into. You don't want to strip any threads, but tight enough so that they're not going to fall off. So, nice easy job then. What we're going to do now is pop the window down so you can see better. I'm going to wiggle this around, see if the mirror moves. There we go, happy with that. That, I think we can call fixed. Well, there you have it. It's a nice and easy job, isn't it? It did start to rain at one point, and then the rains turned into snow, and then it just stopped and it started. So, yeah, great weather to be doing this sort of stuff in, but it's currently my daily driver, so it needs to be done. It's a safety thing, so absolutely needs to be done. But yeah, if you like that, you know the rules. Ring the bell. There's Instagram around here somewhere, and I'll put a link here to the rest of the series. And if you did like it, ring the bell, get notifications for the next one, and I'll see you in that next one.